After 50 long years, the flame at Amar Jawan Jyoti will be put out and merged with the eternal torch at the National War Memorial today. Reports quoting sources said that the decision was made as it was becoming difficult to maintain the two eternal flames at both sites, that is, at India Gate and at the War Memorial. The merger will happen today in a program that will be presided over by the Integrated Defence Staff Chief Air Marshal Balabhadra Radhakrishna as per reports. The India Gate was built by the British in memory of the 84,000 soldiers who laid down their lives in the World War I. The Amar Jawan Jyoti was added under the arch of the India Gate by the Indira Gandhi government to honour the 3,843 soldiers who died liberating Bangladesh. Since 2019, when the National War Memorial was inaugurated, all national-level functions to pay homage to fallen soldiers have been taking place at the War Memorial instead of the Amar Jawan Jyoti. The War Memorial has names of all soldiers who died in the line of duty, including those who served in the 1947-48 war with Pakistan, all the way to modern conflicts like the most recent clash between India and China soldiers in Galwan Valley. The National War Memorial, as per sources, was found to be the most fitting tribute to all service personnel and encompassed all of independent India's heroes in various operations. A part of the flame from the Amar Jawan Jyoti will be carried to the National War Memorial as part of a solemn ceremony to merge the two flames, a Defence Ministry official told the media on Thursday. The decision to extinguish the Amar Jawan Jyoti has divided the public. Some believe both the flames should be allowed to burn alongside each other.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.